Little lady's birthday today. We're having a puppy party over here at Camp Stewart. Here's the birthday girl. Oops, I see. Right there she is. There she is. You're invited to a birthday party. There's Buster Brown. And there's little Izzy, the Italian Greyhound. And there's a bunch of toys. Maisie! Come on, Maisie! Benny and Maisie! There's Maisie! Crazy Maisie! Here comes Benny! What you doing, Miss Bo? There's little Buster. Izzy, you got more energy than any of them, don't you? What's wrong with this crazy gang? Everybody sit pretty. Sing happy birthday? You want to? Oh, look at everybody. Now don't be doing nothing silly. Benny, where's Benny? Little boy. Hey. And there's Benny. I see old Benny. There's old Benny boy. Benny boy.